Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset developer options in Android so you can quickly restore your settings and fix any changes you no longer need. Now, let's get started. Step 1 first, take your Android phone and open the Settings app, which you can easily find on your home screen or in the apps drawer. This app is where all your phone's system settings are located, so it's the starting point for any adjustments. Step 2, within the settings menu, scroll down until you see developer options, usually located near the bottom. Developer options allow you to customize advanced features, so opening this menu is important for making changes or resetting configurations. Step 3, once you are inside developer options, you will see all the developer settings your phone has, such as USB debugging and animation scales. If you notice a reset developer options option, simply tap it to reset all changes. If this option isn't visible, don't worry, there's another way. Step 4, you can also reset by simply turning off developer options. To do this, toggle the switch at the top of the menu to off, which automatically clears all developer settings and restores the defaults. Thank you for watching Fix Your Apps, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful Android tips.